Hello, beautiful people. How are you all doing? I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. I still remain Agatha Progress all the way, bringing it to you live and direct. Hey, 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 my wonderful family. I told you, and a lot of you believe in me that I always cash and carry the news to come and give you at the appropriate time. All right, my wonderful family, today I have another one that I want us to share together. Please, I want your opinion in the comment section because we are big family and I am still learning. Breaking news: Nnamdi Kanu should defend himself in court. I can't release him. Buhari tells Nigeria. In fact, not only Nigeria, he spit it out to the world. On the 5th of January 2021, that is when he applied himself for a press interview, and he split it out that he cannot release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that the court should do their job. But the question I want to ask before I continue with what he said is this. Thank you very much, Mr. Buhari, for saying the court should continue. Then what are your fears? You come out to say that the court should continue. And for the past 6 months, this person you are saying the court should continue has been going to court, and the court have not heard his voice for once. I and you knew that the judiciary is not working. You are the one that is in charge. So why are you running away from your responsibility? Why can't you give the appropriate answer that you should give? Has the court heard since June last year? No. Time without number is endlessly court data has been they've been adjourning it for the case we don't even know. Before I start, I want to say something. When I make a video the other day and I said this Ohanaeze Ndigbo, that is the elders from southeastern part of Nigeria, that went to visit Buhari, like to talk to Buhari about releasing His Excellency Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They should understand that Buhari only replied to them that he is going to see what he will do to discharge them. Honestly, you knew that when these people went to Abuja to visit Muhammadu Buhari, that was when some northern group came out and said, if Muhammadu Buhari released Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that Nigeria will be so ungovernable for anybody to sit in. That what is going to happen in the northern part of Nigeria, that nobody will believe it. That they are just sending message to Buhari that Buhari should remove his mouth, his head, his hand from this issue. This is when you will know that the case even right now is beyond Muhammadu Buhari. I am telling you, Muhammadu Buhari is not in charge. He is just there. People that are controlling the Aso Rock, people that are in charge, has come out to air their view and warn and kick against Buhari, not saying about releasing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I and you watched that video. I placed the video here in this particular shine. I told you people that these people said they are the ones in charge. Buhari don't have rights. Buhari don't have say. Buhari is not there. Time is just there. Time without number, Aisha Buhari cried out and said the husband that he knew 2015 is not the husband that he is saying. Time without number, Aisha Buhari cried out and said his hand is not in this second tenure. He said it live and direct to Nigeria. Press grants her the interview. She speaks out. Not that now that she traveled to Dubai, immediately she packed out from Aso Rock and moved to Dubai without not playing a role of first lady in a country. My people, think twice. So since then, Buhari don't know how to tell the southeastern governor that, or the leaders that went to visit him, that his hand is not inside, blah, blah, blah. This is the right moment for him to shine the anger and let them understand that He cannot release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should face the court, and the court is not working. Buhari is the court, and the court is Buhari. If not that, they said he should face the court. Okay, what is he still doing in DSS custody when the court said let him go? When the court said transfer him, why did they not transfer him? Come on, let's ask some questions, reasonable questions here. Because he came out first to shout and say that he don't intrude himself in judiciary, and he is the judiciary. He is the one that controlled it. Why is Janjaweed people in his backyard also controlled him? So now he has made it clear that His Excellency Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should face the courts, that he cannot release him. He don't have the power to release him. He said because since that His Excellency has been out of the country, saying a lot of things about the country, he said nobody has come to beg him. These are the words of Muhammadu Buhari. He made a statement and he said for good 2 years that they've been monitoring Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's movements. Yes, so he said it, that he said for good 2 years they've been monitoring his movements until they kidnap him. That now that he's kidnapped, a lot of people are coming to say he should release him. They are coming to beg on his behalf. He said that all those things that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is saying outside the country, that he should also say it right in Nigeria before him. Come on, my wonderful family. Are you not seeing the Jacques and Duke play there? Let us shine our eyes and know that if action is not taken, Muhammadu Buhari, you know what he understands most. Yes, he only understands the language from his people. That is only what he understands. If not, how many governors in southeastern part of Nigeria have said something about the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? If not that they want to use Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for political gain. I am telling you, 2023, that is where we are now. You will see what is going to happen. They are changing this. They are going to hand over 2023, and from June or from May, you see the campaign going on. You see the campaign going on. That is what they are just trying to do. They are trying to use this thing as a political achievement. My wonderful family, don't you think that if care is not taken, Buhari is going, he will hand over Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to the next man standing? Because when they ask him that, who do you think will be the next president, he said he can't disclose the identity of the person for now. That is when you will know that these people, they have hidden agenda. And if the person that is coming is going to succeed Muhammadu Buhari, know that His Excellency will still remain in that place. I am telling you the truth. I know when I'm saying it, a lot of people will say, what are you saying? But I will still hold on myself to wait for Radio Biafra to come out and comment on these particular issues, because it's no longer a joke anymore, my wonderful family. They just sent Buhari to come and deliver this issue so that people will know that this is their stand, and Buhari have said his stand. So I don't really know if you yourself, you know your stand about this issue of His Excellency Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Don't forget, January 18 is another court date. Always put it in mind. Then we shall know what is what. Yes, so because this thing is getting out of hand, the way Muhammadu Buhari has prepared himself, mind, soul, and body, we as well still need to be prepared, because he have said it and we are waiting for him. All right, my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this wonderful update. I just said, let me come and share it with my people for you to know the plan of Muhammadu Buhari towards this issue on ground, that he have decided that he don't have right to free His Excellency Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So to you, I don't know what to feel about this video. Please do well to drop your opinion for me as well in the comment section. I still remain your one and only Agatha Progress, bringing it to you live and direct. See you when I see you. For me, to you, I say bye.